Hello kids, today we will draw a cute kitty cat. So let's start. First draw the cat head. Draw a big flat circle, just draw like me, and it will look very cute. Good job, now let's draw the ear. Draw a big curved line on its head. Well done, now draw a small curved line inside it. Good job, now draw the other ear also. Do the same thing, and it will look very beautiful. Draw the inside line, and it's done. Look how cute it's looking. Now let's draw the cat body. First draw the hand of the kitty. Draw a curved line, and then draw two lines inside it. Good job, now draw the other hand also. Draw the curve, and make the line. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here, and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Well done, we complete the hand. Now draw a curved line on both sides. Well done, now let's draw the leg. Draw a curve and draw two lines. Look, we draw the leg. Now draw the other leg, and it's done. Draw a line and connect the leg. Look, we almost complete the drawing. Now draw a big oval on the stomach. Just draw like me, and it's done. Now draw the kitty tail. Draw a curved line and make it like a rod. Good job, look how cute the tail is looking. Lastly, draw the kitty face. Draw a circle and fill the color. Well done, now draw the other eye also. Draw the circle and fill the color. Now draw a cute nose. Good job, now draw a happy and cute smile. Draw the tongue. Don't forget to draw kitty hair. Draw two curved lines on both sides. Look how cute it's looking. So let's color it. First use orange color and draw a line. Draw a line on one side of face. Good job, now slowly fill the color. Make sure not to color the eye. Well done, now let's color the ear. Color only the outside of the ear. Now use the color and carefully color the stomach. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Good job, lastly color the cat tail. Color the tail, and it will look very cute. Now use light orange color and color the ear. Do the same thing and color only outside. Now color the cat face also. Color the outline and slowly fill the color. You can also use different colors you like. Use different color and make your own creativity. Color the outline and carefully fill the color. Color the outline of eye and mouth, so you will not make any mistake. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Good job, we complete the face. Now let's color the kitty body. First color the left part of the hand. Slowly and carefully fill the color. Well done, now color the right part of the hand. Color the outline and slowly fill the color. Good job, now color the left body and leg also. Color step by step and it will look very cute. Lastly, color the right part of the body and it's done. Look how cute and beautiful it's looking. Good job, now use pink color and color the cat ear. Color only inside the ear. Just color like me and IR will look very cute. Color the other ear also. Now use pink color and color the tongue. Good job, lastly draw a circle and make the cat blushing. Draw on both sides and it's done. Now use brown color and color inside the mouth. Well done, lastly use white color and make the cat shiny. First draw a white circle on eye. Also draw a small circle. Look how shiny it's looking. Now use gray color and make shadow. Draw a curved line like this under the face. Good job, we complete the drawing. Look how cute the kitty is looking. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel.